Welcome back to Explain the Charts. I'm your host, and today we're tackling the hot topic of Bitcoin, specifically BTCUSD, where the bulls and bears are currently battling it out. As of right now, October 22nd, 2024, Bitcoin's price has been quite volatile with a recent dip below $67,000, which is causing concern for some traders. But let's look at the news to see if we can find any correlations to the chart data. Recent news about Bitcoin is a mixed bag, with some reports indicating a price drop fueled by U.S. sellers aiming for sub-$65,000 price targets. However, other reports highlight a surge past $69,000, hinting at a potential breakout. This conflicting news points to the high volatility and uncertainty surrounding the market. There are also reports of a $2.4 billion inflow into Bitcoin ETFs, which could be a bullish indicator. We'll see how these events translate on the charts. Let's begin with the daily chart, looking at the broader trend. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend in the past few months, with Bitcoin breaking through several resistance levels. However, the recent dip has brought the price back below the $67,000 level. This could be a sign of short-term consolidation, where the market is taking a breather before continuing its upward trajectory. However, it's essential to watch closely for any signs of reversal. Now let's zoom into the 1-hour chart for a more detailed view of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows a clear resistance level at $69,000, which Bitcoin failed to break through earlier today. We can also see a strong support level around $67,000. The current price action is bouncing between these two levels. This suggests that the market is indecisive and trying to find its footing. However, if we look at the recent candles, there's a potential bullish pattern forming. The price is making higher lows and higher highs, which is a positive sign for bulls. However, we need to watch for confirmation. If the price breaks above the $69,000 resistance level, it will be a strong bullish signal. But if the price drops below the $67,000 support level, it will be a bearish signal. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, which will give us a hyper-focused view of the current price action. The 15-minute chart shows a volatile market with rapid swings. The price is currently bouncing between support and resistance levels, which are much tighter than those seen on the daily and 1-hour charts. This heightened volatility can be attributed to the news and events we discussed earlier. It's important to be cautious during these periods of volatility, as quick price movements can catch traders off guard. One key level to watch on the 15-minute chart is the $68,000 level. This level has been acting as both support and resistance in the recent past. If the price closes above this level, it will be a bullish signal, suggesting that the market is ready to move higher. However, if the price closes below this level, it will be a bearish signal, suggesting that the market is losing momentum. Looking at the 1-day chart, we can see that the recent dip is relatively small compared to the overall upward trend, suggesting that the bull market may still have legs. However, the 1-hour chart's recent candles are quite volatile, indicating that the market is still figuring out its direction. This volatility is further highlighted in the 15-minute chart, which shows very rapid swings between support and resistance levels. It's important to consider all three timeframes to get a complete picture of the market and its dynamics. To summarize the key price levels, we have a strong resistance level at $69,000 on the 1-hour chart and a significant support level at $67,000. The 15-minute chart shows a tight support and resistance range around $68,000, which is an important level to watch. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend, but the recent dip is a potential sign of short-term consolidation. It's crucial to monitor the price action closely for any signs of reversal, especially if the price breaks below the support levels. Looking forward, the potential for Bitcoin to break above the $69,000 resistance level is high, especially if we see more bullish news and sustained buying pressure. However, the market remains volatile, and the possibility of a pullback cannot be ruled out, particularly if there's a significant sell-off driven by negative news or economic uncertainty.